first day of March, and what better way to start the month than by providing you with some of the latest FX projections from FX analysts. Joining me today is Elaine Clark, the CEO of Beta2 Limited in London. Elaine, it's great to speak to you. So we'll start with the euro dollar. This week the ECB pumped 529.5 billion euros worth of fresh liquidity into the market, slightly more than some market participants were expecting, and Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke seemed to dampen the prospect of QE3. We saw a sharp fall in the euro yesterday. Where do you see euro dollar finding support in the short term, and what about movement from the pair in the mid to long term?
Well, euro dollar, just like you said, did see a fall yesterday. I believe it could be a sign of what's to come. I felt for some time euro has been overbought. We haven't seen it give up its gains just yet, though. But mark yesterday's date in your diary, February 29th, 2012. Obviously, a day very well known to be a leap year. But I think this year it could be known as the day euro dollar starts its decline. Slow stocks have started to turn down, suggesting momentum is turning down. And more importantly, the ADX, which shows the strength of trends, that's definitely waning, suggesting to me that there aren't a lot of euro bulls out there right now, and a long-awaited sell-off for the euro is on the cards, in my opinion. After 1 month, I see euro being down to 1.31. 3 months, probably slightly more, around 1.28. And after 12 months, I can see euro down as low as 1.23.
Well, the result of the ECB's second LTRO should help the risk rally continue in the short term, so perhaps let's turn our focus to dollar yen. The recent break of the 80 level for dollar yen was quite impressive considering the sideways trading of the pair at the end of last year. What's next for dollar yen? Where do you see the pair heading in the 1 month, 3 month and 12 month timescale?
First things first, yeah, you're right. The dollar yen move has been very, very impressive as of late. But I'll state it right now, it won't continue. This is another pair that, in my opinion, is reaching overbought territory. The sell-off may not be as imminent as euro dollar, but it will happen. I mentioned the ADX indicator earlier and how it measured the strength of trends. Well, in this pair, it is actually still suggesting the trend is quite strong to the upside. But this will change shortly, and with it, so will the price. I believe after 1 month, dollar will go down to 79 against the yen. 3 months, a slightly larger decline down to 78. And after 12 months, I think we could see dollar yen trading around 76.50.
Finally, Lane, let's end on dollar CAD, which seems to be edging lower and lower below parity at the moment. According to your forecast at Beta2 Limited, what's in the pipeline for the dollar CAD pair?
Dollar CAD, yeah, parity, below parity at the moment, as obviously we speak. But in 1 month's time, I envisage a different story. It's been drifting lower as of late, like you said, but over the next 3 to 4 months, we believe there'll be dollar and yen strength across the board. Equities will probably fall back, hedge funds will probably underperform, and the shrewd traders and the ones with smiles on their faces will probably be the ones who are filling their boots with dollar and with yen. So what do I predict? Dollar CAD to be trading back at parity in 1 month, 3 months at 1.02, and 12 months time, 1.045.
Thank you very much, Lane, for that helpful insight into the forex market. Now, don't forget, throughout the remainder of the week, we will have more financial interviews, a press review, and the all-important week ahead. So stay tuned.